Let's look at how to merge duplicates from a list, and I'll show you what I mean about the list difficulties that I'm having. So merge duplicate layer styles, merge from list, and you get all of these layer styles from libraries are on. So I'm seeing everything from the attached libraries as well as the document. I'm going to pick Shadows 1 because I know it's duplicated down here in my library. So it's in the palette, it's in the atoms. I want to keep it in the atoms, so I'm going to select that. At that point, with one selected, I could just merge styles and those two would merge and that would be fine. But I saw also there was shadows 2, 3, 4, 5. So what if I wanted to now do shadows 2? As soon as I click on shadows 2 to focus on it, it adds it to this collection. So it's not that's not going to work because I don't want to merge shadows 2 as a shadow 1. They wouldn't be discrete elements. So I only can do one of these things at a time. Shadows 1, for example. Pick the one I want. Say merge styles. And then I'd have to go back in again to merge duplicates layer styles and start all over again with the list. Not such a big deal, but it adds like a lot of time. And if we go to merge layer styles with the same name, it should show the same list because there are layer styles that have the same name as we just saw, but it doesn't bring anything up. Let's try merge duplicate symbols with the same names and see if there's anything of those. And I want to show you how this works differently than the list view, at least for me. Okay, so imagine we have this breakpoints for 1440. There aren't other instances being used, but they exist in those other libraries, and I'm going to say I want it in the grid. So that's max 1440, that's that symbol. If I go down to the next one here, I still have the 1440 selected, which one I want, and now I can look at 1280, so I can then pick that one. And I can keep going down and I can do that all with the different sets of duplicates selected, and then at the end select merge symbols. So it's very different. The select from list isn't working the same way. It's allowing me only to focus on one set of duplicates at a time, and the merge duplicates with the same name allows me to focus on multiple lists at the same time, multiple pairs or how many duplicates there are, and then in the end make my decision.